Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to cut a basic sleeve, and it will be a long sleeve. So if that's something I'm so much interested in, keep on watching and let's get started. So the length I'm working with is 24. I've measured it out and marked. Then I'm going to mark my shoulder to my elbow. My shoulder to my waist, or is usually around 13 inches depending, but you have to measure your client to know. Then for the calf's height, that's where I'll come down for my measurement. I came down by 3 inches. How I got the 3 inches is my bust measurement divided by 12. Bust measurement divided by 12, you will get your calf's height. Then the length, bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5. Mine is 7.5. And from there I connected it to that side, to the edge of that my fabric. Remember to fold yours into 2. Then I'm going to mark the midpoint along that line, and I'm making a straight line just to mark the next measurement. And the next thing is to mark 0.25 on top and below. 0.25. This is how I'm going to mark it because we'll be cutting for the back and the front. The one on top is for the back, like this one I'm marking out now is for my back armhole. Then just look at what I'm doing, and yeah, that's for the back armhole. Then the front will come down so that while you sew or after sewing, it does not stuff out at your armpit. So just take it inside. Remember that while cutting on your fabric, the front armpit always goes inside. It usually goes inside. So that's it. That's why this armhole went inside. So I went inside by 0.25. I went outside for the back by 0.25 also. So then I'm going to measure my wrist. My wrist is 4 inches. I've marked it. Just measure your wrist, mark, measure your elbow and mark. Then you connect it with your straight ruler. At this point, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please help my channel grow, and I'll be bringing content to you. Encourage me guys, please encourage me, and I'll be bringing content to you. Thank you. So I'm using my marker pen to mark out the way I will cut it, so I will know what to do. I'm just going to cut it like this. I'm going to cut through the back. After that, I'll now open it up and cut the front. Try this and see if it is correct. And I did not add any stitching allowance, so while cutting your fabric, you can now add stitching allowances on it. So that's the back and that's the front. So simple, easy, and perfect. If you love the outcome of this video, please subscribe. If you're yet to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified. Please like my video so that YouTube will recommend it to others who need it and who will see it. Also share with your friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.